escape. Who am I? What are we doing here? Who am I? Me? Oh my God! Wow!
I never expected it.
Don't you want all this? Come on.
Why are you blowing powder?
Are you not feeling anything?
I'm not feeling anything now.
I will soon beat someone's child.
Why you dey blow powder now? You just born? Ah. You go waste your powder. Because I'm talking to you now, I'm not feeling anything. See, you call me for us to come and do something. We have to do it.
Oga, I beg. Won't they go, Oga, beg.
Oh, you are begging me? After baiting me with enough powder, you think I will just go like that? Ah, you invited me to this group. We must do the group. Come here, let's go and do this.
Jesus!
See, this will sound as a lesson to other boys. See them? They see these boys. Not be all girl when you see, then you go chop. But all this one, I will free all this one. You want to use me, you want to use them. This is the end of the road for you. It's easy.
I beg.
Let's do
Let's
it. Let's do it.